With 3 screws in the rail and 3 screws in the seat, I can remove any additional clamps I have and reassemble this together to dry fit these components on my project. One of my goals is a uniform gap from the rear of the project to the front of the project at the point where the seat meets the side rail. And another objective is a nice uniform gap on the left as well as the right side of the seat. This is fairly easy to attain because nothing is actually glued up, and we can adjust pieces as needed. But once all of the adjustments are made, we need to double check all of the joint connections for the front and rear rail and side assemblies. We also want to test the clearance of the seat and the side assemblies. If you are hitting, this needs to be adjusted at this point.